Welcome everyone to Outdoors with ComputerChick Productions. Be sure to like, share, and hit that bell for notifications. Today we're going to basically visit a nice little conservation area that we found just a few miles outside of St. Louis. You can skeet shoot. There's camping that you can do, and there's a lake. So come outdoors with ComputerChick Productions and stay tuned. Thank you for tuning in. Outdoors with ComputerChick Productions.
Come outside with ComputerChick Productions. Another day. We found a little gem just driving, just to get outside and get our vitamin D. We're at a conservation area here in Missouri. Nice little spot. Nice little. Just get outside, get your vitamin D. Get outside with ComputerChick Productions. Be sure to like, share this out, and I'll give you details of where this is. This is a nice, and come to find out that this place, another area of the conservation, you can camp. And they got porta potties set up. And looks like you can fish here too. Take a little walk. So walk with me. Stay tuned. Welcome back. We are with this journey. Looks like they have. Hear that? Someone's practicing. Get outside with ComputerChick Productions and Mario Kid 078. Just get outside. This is a nice. Enjoy nature.